Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Today's video is going to be a get it all done, so let's get right to it.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you.
I'm going to make a quick cup of decaf coffee with some pumpkin spice creamer for while I'm working today. I've got to get some laundry going and then just tidy up these downstairs spaces, because if those are straightened, I just feel so much better. But seriously, how is it already the end of October? Halloween is less than a week away. What are you and your kids dressing up as this year? Let me know in the comments. You'll get to see our family costume over on Instagram very soon. And then it is 1 week until the Christmas Clean and Decorate With Me video and tons of other holiday videos and lots of ideas coming your way here on YouTube and over on Instagram. I can't wait. This truly is the most wonderful time of the year. So be sure to subscribe and follow along.
Two things I wanted to show you guys really quickly. The first, as you may have noticed, there is a tree up. I heard like on everything, TikTok, Instagram, all that this is the most twinkly, magical looking tree. It was so easy to set up. I have it on like my Instagram reels if you want to see it, but I love it. I did, however, though, this is the 7.5 foot and it comes in a 9 foot option as well. So I actually did order the 9 foot. I'm gonna put the 9 foot there. My mom right away, as soon as I said it, was like, order the 9 foot, and so did like everybody else when I asked over on Instagram. So this tree, I will have it linked in the description box because I'm seriously in love with it. Cannot wait to decorate for Christmas. And then the second thing, just because we are in, you know, that zone of parenting where Santa Claus is coming to town, I got these little jars from the craft store and different colored jingle bells. And this is just my behavior management technique for, you know, when the kids do their chores, when they do their homework, they get a jingle bell. When they have a random act of kindness, they get a jingle bell. But jingle bells can be removed for, you know, misbehaving and all of that. So it's been really helpful. I think just as like a visual up here on the counter for the kids to see it, and like they love getting a jingle bell added. Just thought I would share because I know like when we got back from vacation, we needed a little reset, and since the holidays are coming up here and our elf doesn't come until the 12 days of Christmas, so like the last couple weeks before Christmas, so I needed something in the interim to make sure everybody is good so that Santa Claus comes to our house this year. It is one of those very cool, chill fall days, so I want a really cozy recipe for lunch. So I'm gonna make some chili, and while I'm cooking, I figured I would tell you about today's video sponsor, BetterHelp. I have been using BetterHelp for, gosh, I mean, it's probably 5 years at this point. I started using BetterHelp when I was going through the loss of my dad. I just had so much grief and really needed somebody to talk to. And then recently started back up again, just going through a divorce and, you know, really more feelings of grief and loss. But, you know, we all have, whether it's anxiety or different stresses or hard times that we go through, it's human. And it's just so helpful to talk to somebody who's a professional and can give you strategies and ways for you to live a happier, healthier life. And I feel like that's what BetterHelp was able to do for me. So it's really, really easy. You can just go online to betterhelp.com/Brianna, or have it linked on my description box below for you as well. but there's a really simple questionnaire that you can fill out. It's super fast and easy to get matched with one of the 30,000 licensed professionals on BetterHelp's site. And it's just for me as a mom. You guys know, like, you're already so busy. It can be so hard to find the time to go to talk to somebody in person every single week. But that's what I love about BetterHelp, that I can do it from my own home, right online. I can do video chats, or I can talk over the phone. And it's really nice too, because I can also just chat in any questions, or if anything comes up in between our sessions that week, I can chat with my therapist as well. Let me grab Kylo. Oh my God. Stop. If anybody has tips for how to get this cat not to be on my counters, let me know that as well. But if for some reason that therapist isn't the right fit for you, BetterHelp makes it very easy to switch, and you don't have to worry about any of the insurance hangups or anything like that, which is one of the things I really like about BetterHelp, because it's just so convenient and so easy to get matched with a therapist who can really help you live a happy, healthy life. Again, I'm one of the 4 million people who are using BetterHelp, and if you would like to give BetterHelp a try for yourself, you can use the link down in my description box below, or visit betterhelp.com/Brianna. And clicking on that link not only helps support this channel, but also will give you a 10% off your first month of BetterHelp. So check out the link below, because you deserve to live a happy, healthy life. All right, I'm gonna clean everything up right now and keep on making this chili. I'm like so hungry. All right, we have got half of a really large onion all chopped up in here, a pound of ground beef, and I just threw in the rest of my minced garlic container. So this will be a little garlicky chili, but you know, garlic's good, keeps you healthy. All right, I'm adding in a large can of diced tomatoes and some chili beans. And then a can of corn, drained by the way. All right, and then I added a can of black beans and the chili spices. And we're gonna let this simmer. Ideally, like, let it simmer on low for at least 30 minutes so that the flavor gets really good, but the longer you can sort of leave it on low simmering, then the even better flavor that this is gonna have. For another load of laundry, I had to switch out the first load and went upstairs to get all of the towels to do a load of those so they're fresh and clean for the week.
So I try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did.
I just got a notification on my phone that the 9-foot tree got delivered, so let's go get it and set it up. This thing is huge. I had it in front of the garage.
Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention.
Thank you to every person over on Instagram who said to get the 9-foot tree. You guys were right. The bigger one just fills out the space even better. And I'm seriously so in love with these trees. I will have them linked for you down in my description box below.
Rosie, is it ready?
Yeah. How do you set it up so quick?
How did I set it up? It was actually like very easy to set up. Ugh.
But the other one was too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Like, I don't even know what's happening right now, but I love it. Like, it makes me so excited for Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas and all these fun things coming up. So here we go, time for lunch. I just topped it with lots of shredded cheese, some sour cream, and some tortilla strips. Yum, yum. I'm so bummed. I just opened up another package with some Christmas decor that I'd ordered. And I loved, it was this little pink Santa hat cookie jar. But as you can see, Santa's face smashed right in there. Such a bummer, huh? Do you want to look at the other stuff? Do a little haul with me? Oh my gosh, it's just such a vibe in here. I love it. All right, you ready to go through everything? Okay, so the theme that I really wanted this year to incorporate was just touches of pink in with the regular decor. Is that not so cute? So this is from Target Dollar Spot. They just got them in. There was like a little gingerbread man and a sleigh, the Christmas tree. I figured maybe for like teacher gifts, probably we could like use these to put little gift cards in for them. So cute. The sled, yeah. You can pick which one you want for your teacher. But then I got these different houses, and I actually got some pink paint. And I was thinking of maybe painting the homes pink because I have some red and white ones. So, you know, adding in some different pops. Pink colors. What do you want to show next? What else is cool? Oh, this gingerbread man. I had to go get him. So he was from Hobby Lobby. I think I still have to put batteries in it though to get it to work. But, I mean, he's just way too stinking cute. And then the other, did you see the other gingerbread man that I got? Kylie was like, Coley's staring at this stuff too. All the pets are like, what are you guys doing? I found this sweet little gingerbread. Isn't that adorable? So that was from TJ Maxx. And I found some other like really cute gingerbread stuff if that's your thing. Like they had a bunch of different houses there, so I got that one.
Mommy.
I just loved it. Here, watch out, Kai.
Mommy.
Those, okay. So Hayden actually picked these out because Hayden was with me when you guys were at school. So he got Zero and Jack little ornaments.
Yeah, for
We ran to at home. Oh, I got this for Hayden as well for in his room. I thought that was so cute. The red and white checked blanket. I feel like he needs a new throw blanket for his crib anyways, and I just love that one. And then this Fa La La pillow has like the pink and the red. That was from Target. And let me see what else. Oh, this pink mug was the one who like matched that cookie jar that broke. I love that. It's something for 3-tiered stand. And from At Home, they had this little pink Santa spoon rest. And the big deer was from TJ Maxx, but like the little pink deer was from At Home. Oh no. I don't think I broke anything. Huh? Oh. But then I just got some other like ornaments and a little Christmas tree painting and some different candles. Because on the mantle last year, I had a bunch of red candles. So I was thinking of making them like red and pink. Maybe I have some like white ones too and kind of making it like red, pink, and white this year. Other pillows I got. This pillow cover with the little vintage Santa. It's from Amazon. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Isn't he like the cutest little Santa? I just love him. And then I got some just like pink furry pillow covers too. I got those gold, did you see these? Aren't those so fun? Disco balls. And then I just like got an assortment of different pink and green and white and red trees to sort of put in with all the decor. Oh God. It's gonna be a very fun Christmas with Kailua this year. I don't know how it's gonna go with the decorations. What else did I get that I haven't shown yet? This little sign.
Mommy did.
Oh yeah, I haven't shown those. So I found those at Walmart, those little candy cane ornaments. And then this little sign that says Mrs. Claus's Bakery. I love how that was pink too. And then a little pink Santa. And then I thought these were so pretty. I actually got these on Amazon. They're like pinkish mauve colored beads. Oh my God, I wish you guys had seen it. She just ran into the box, like literally slammed into the box and then ran away.
Oh, I got the cat in this year.
Oh my gosh, it's so funny. I think the last thing I didn't show them are these little pink, like white
And also,
bars.
if you like the Bangor Steelers or whatever, it's boo, we go bang roll.
Okay.
Woo, woo.
hanging around Daddy, huh? Wearing brown stuff. But yeah, so that is everything for Christmas. Are you excited to decorate? Do you want to help me decorate this year?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm so excited.
Actually, I don't want to.
You don't want to?
That's trash stuff. I know I'm kidding, right?
You better be. Santa's not going to come for you. Oh, okay. I'm going to clean all this up. All right? And then we got to go to the birthday party.
Yes! Exactly! Mom, don't
One other thing really fast I was going to show you guys that I did get for all the Christmas stuff that I'm going to be filming that I thought was so cute were these different earrings for the holidays. I got this sort of peppermint twist hoops. I thought those were so cute. These, I can't even deal. Like, they're the cutest little Rudolph. Like, and the legs even like dangle a little bit. They're adorable. Those are from Bubble Bar, obviously. And then this one I got from Pink Lily, these little pink beaded Christmas trees. I thought those were so cute. I can't wait to wear them. Sorry, I just like put them into my mouth. We've got to go pick up Landon from the first birthday party he went to today. And we have to make a quick stop at the store. And then we're going to go to the second birthday. And it's at a trampoline park, so it should be really fun.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I.
And I added skeletons to the front porch chairs, and I made the twinkly lights be orange and purple. So a little more Halloween vibes out here. And we're gonna have to carve our pumpkins this week, and I'll put like the carved pumpkins out here then too.
Searching for something that ain't lost.
Thank you so much for watching today's Get It All Done With Me video. I hope that you got tons of motivation to get everything done on your to-do list this week. You can do it. Thank you for subscribing, and I can't wait to share all my Christmas Decorate With Me videos and lots of holiday videos coming soon.
I try to fix things